What is iron deficiency?
Iron deficiency happens when your body doesn't have enough iron to make healthy red blood cells. Iron is crucial for carrying oxygen throughout your body. Without enough, your body can't function at its best. This can lead to a range of symptoms and health problems. Understanding iron deficiency is the first step toward recognizing and addressing it.
Why do you need iron?
Iron is an essential mineral needed to create hemoglobin, a protein in red blood cells that transports oxygen from your lungs to the rest of your body. Without adequate iron, your organs and tissues may not get enough oxygen, affecting your energy levels, brain function, and overall health. That's why iron is so important for everyone.
What are the top signs you might be low in iron?
Common symptoms of iron deficiency include feeling unusually tired, experiencing weakness, having pale skin, shortness of breath, and a rapid heartbeat. Other signs can include frequent headaches, dizziness, cold hands and feet, brittle nails, or even cravings for non-food items like ice or dirt. These symptoms can range from mild to severe, depending on how low your iron levels are.
Who is most at risk for low iron?
Certain people are more likely to develop iron deficiency. These include women with heavy periods, pregnant individuals, young children, teens, and people with diets low in iron-rich foods. Vegetarians and those with certain health conditions that affect absorption, such as celiac disease, are also at higher risk. Recognizing your risk can help you take preventive action.
How can you improve your iron levels?
To boost your iron levels, eat more iron-rich foods like lean red meat, poultry, fish, beans, lentils, spinach, and iron-fortified cereals. Pairing these foods with vitamin C-rich fruits and vegetables, such as oranges or bell peppers, helps your body absorb iron better. If needed, your doctor may recommend iron supplements, but you should only take these under medical guidance.
When should you see a doctor?
If you notice possible iron deficiency symptoms, especially persistent fatigue, pale skin, or unusual cravings, talk to your healthcare provider. A simple blood test can check your iron levels. Identifying and treating low iron early can help prevent complications, improve your energy, and restore your overall well-being.